Hello and welcome to session 4 of Lockdown Welsh. Now we're going to be starting to think about some of the things that people have been driven to do in lockdown. So the Welsh for bread is bara, bara. So bread is bara, bara. Da iawn. So to make in Welsh is wneud, wneud. So to make is wneud. To make bread is wneud bara. I almost forgot what it was for a moment myself. Wneud bara. Now, how to in Welsh is sit I. Sit I. How to? Sit I. Now, how to make, again, gets a little softening going on. So how to make is sit I wneud. Sit I wneud. So how to make. Sit I wneud. How to make bread. Sit I wneud bara. Sit I wneud bara. So the Welsh for to learn is dysgu. Dysgu. So that's handy. You can say dwi'n dysgu, I'm learning. So dysgu is to learn. To learn. Oh, camera went all over the place there. Dysgu. So to learn how. Dysgu sit. Dysgu sit. To learn how to make. Dysgu sit I wneud. Dysgu sit I wneud. To learn how to make bread. Dysgu sit I wneud bara. Dysgu sit I wneud bara. So, have learnt, to say that you have done something in Welsh, use the word wedi. So, have learnt is wedi dysgu. Have learnt. Wedi dysgu. Have learnt how. Wedi dysgu sit. Have learnt how to make. Wedi dysgu sit I wneud. Have learnt how to make bread. Wedi dysgu sit I wneud bara. Wedi dysgu sit I wneud bara. So, have you, when you're talking to a friend, somebody you know reasonably well, is wyt ti wedi. Have you? Wyt ti wedi. Oh, lucky there isn't a hosepipe ban because there's a hosepipe happening over there. Have you? Wyt ti wedi. Have you learnt? Wyt ti wedi dysgu. Have you learnt how? Wyt ti wedi dysgu sut? Have you learnt how to make? Wyt ti wedi dysgu sut I wneud? Have you learnt how to make bread? Wyt ti wedi dysgu sut I wneud bara? And now a handy two for the price of one. Yet in Welsh, in this context, you can just say with eto again. So in the same way as we were using it earlier. No, in a different way to how we were using it earlier. So two for the price of one. So yet here is eto. So have you learnt how to make bread yet? Wyt ti wedi dysgu sut I wneud bara eto? Wyt ti wedi dysgu sut I wneud bara eto? And now let's just recap from the earlier sessions. What were they? We had, oh yes, my children are perfect all the time. Mae fy mhlant yn berffaith trwy'r amser. And then we had, I'm looking forward at seeing my friends again. Dwi'n edrych ymlaen at weld fy ffrindiau eto. And then my personal favourite, I don't remember what day it is today. Dwi ddim yn cofio pa ddiwrnod ydy heddiw. Hwyl am y tro.